Next, amount of substance. Amount of substance another base quantities. What is the SI unit of amount of substance? Yes, that is mole. What is the symbol of amount of substance? Mole. The spelling is MOL. You know the difference between unit and symbol. Okay. Now the amount of substance is a measure of the number of entities present in a substance. The amount of substance means take any one substance, the substance present in a particles, how much particles present in a substance, that is amount of substance. Okay, the entity may be an atom, molecule, ion, electron or proton, etc. So underline the word. The entity may be an atom, molecule, ion, electron or proton. These are entity. Okay, take any one substance, the substance present in any one atom or molecule, ion, electron or proton. These are amount of substance. How many particles present in a substance, that is amount of substance. Okay, generally the amount of substance is directly proportional to the number of atoms or molecules. Amount of substance directly proportional means this is a directly proportional symbol. This is amount of substance is directly proportional to number of atoms. How many atoms present in a substance is equal. Okay, that is number of atoms and molecules, directly proportional of number of atoms or molecules. Can you count the number of copper coins in the picture? We can count them easily, but can you count the number of copper atoms in the coin? It is very difficult to count the number of atoms because they are not visible. The copper coins are visible, so easily count it, but the copper coin having the atoms and molecules that cannot visible, so we cannot count the number of atoms and particles. The number of atoms or molecules in a substance is measured in mole. The copper coin have a number of many particles. They are atom, molecules, ion, electron. These are not visible, so the not visible particles we have measured in one quantity, that is mole. Okay, the number of atoms or molecules in a substance is measured in mole. Underline the word mole. It is a SI unit. Okay, next 1 mole. Mole is defined as the amount of substance which contains 6.023 into 10 power 23 entities. The 1 mole is defined as the amount of substance which contain. ஒரு மோல்ங்கிறது 6.023 into 10 power 23 entities. What are the entities? Yes, that is electron, proton, ion, atom. These are entities. 1 mole is present in any atom, molecule, ion, proton, electron. How much particles? 6.023 into 10 power 23 entities. It is denoted mole. That is the symbol. Mole is the symbol. The number 6.023 into 10 power 23 is also known as the Avogadro number. This is very, very important. The Avogadro number value is 6.023 into 10 power 23. 1 mole have a 6.023 particles present in any one substance. That is 1 mole. Okay. Next, luminous intensity of light. This is also one of the standard quantity. What is the SI unit of luminous intensity? Yes, candela. What is the symbol of luminous intensity? CD. The luminous means light. Luminous means light. Have you seen these scenes on the television? What is the umpire doing? He is checking the intensity of light by using an instrument. Every match the umpire check the light using one instrument. Okay, that is photometer. Okay, that is photometer. Then umpire check the luminous intensity. Okay, suppose when the light is not sufficient to play and it causes danger to the player, because there is a low intensity of light which creates the problem to batsman as they are not able to see the coming ball properly. So every match the umpire check the luminous intensity. Okay, the luminous intensity means the measure of the power of the emitted light by a light source in a particular direction per unit solid angle. The solid angle means the three plane intersection point, that is solid angle, is called a luminous intensity. The solid angle means the three intersection meet the one point, that is solid angle. Okay, so the measure of the power of the emitted light by a light source in a particular direction. Particular directionல நமக்கு light source வந்து கரெக்டாக அந்த பாயிண்டில் ஃபால் ஆகணும். ஃபால் ஆனால் மட்டும்தான் அந்த இடத்துல வந்து நமக்கு கிளியராக கிடைக்கும். So every match the umpire check the luminous intensity. Okay, the SI unit of luminous intensity is candela. Underline the word candela. It is noted CD. Okay, then the light emitted from a common wax candle is approximately equal to 1 candela. Okay, normally one candle is burning, the flame is equal to 1 candela. 1 candela. The wax candle emitted one light, that light is 1 candela. Okay, luminous intensity is measured by photometer. Underline the word luminous intensity is measured by photometer. Umpire using one instrument, that instrument is photometer. Photo means light. Okay, photo means light. We measure the light, that is photometer, which gives the luminous intensity in term of candela directly. Okay, which gives the luminous intensity in terms of the now measure the length means meter, that like the luminous intensity in the terms of candela. Okay, this is the luminous intensity. Info bits. The luminous flux or luminous power is the measure of preserved power of light. It is a SI unit of lumen. Luminous flux or luminous power, it means எவ்வளோ ஒளியை நம்ம உணர்ந்திருக்கோம்னு சொல்கிறது தான் luminous flux and luminous power. ஓகே, நம்மளால் உணரப்பட்ட ஒளி தான் preserved power of light, that is luminous flux or luminous power. Preserved means உணர்றது. Okay, it is SI unit of lumen. The 1 lumen is defined as the luminous flux of the light produced by the light source that emit 1 candela of luminous intensity over a solid angle of 1 steradian. This is the 1 lumen. Okay, apart from the 7 fundamental units, we have 2 more units known as derived units. We will study about them now. How many fundamental units? Yes, there are 7 fundamental units. What they are? Yes, length, mass, temperature, electric current, then amount of substance, luminous intensity. Okay, then more than 2 quantities, that is a derived units. Okay.